Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to simply insert table in Google Docs. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so right here on my Google Docs, I'm going to insert table of reference into this particular simple text document right here. And for me to do that, I have to simply click on where I would like to insert the table. So I'm going to insert the table from the top right here. What I need to do is to simply make sure I go to insert tab right here. So I'm going to simply click on insert tab. Then I will from here go to table. Then from here, I will come down below right here. I will select the number of table rows and column that I want. So I want about 5 rows and 2 column, just like so, and it will automatically be inserted just like what you see right here. Now you can start to type into the table right here, and for you to start typing, just type in whatever. So for instance, I want this to be oil, then I want this to be rice, then I want this to be meat, then I want the next one here to be granite, then press tab to move to the next column. I want this one to be beans. Okay, so I need to check on the spelling, granite, then beans. Then I have to move to the next paragraph, which is this one right here. So this oil, I can make it 200. Then I'll press tab. Then I will type in 45 right here, and I'll press that means I'll make it 45, or I'll make it 55. Then under the granite, I'll make it something like 20, and then under the beans, I'll make it something like 500. It's as simple as that. Then I can come to the top right here. I will type in table of preferences or preference. Okay, then it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply insert table in Google Docs. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you